I know, I hate this part too. We definitely have to bring you a new outfit. This one's all dirty. That was a little one. That was good. That was a little one. You want to eat some more? They don't have much left. You can eat what's left. Hmm? You can eat what's left. Here.
Even if it, yeah.
You want it or no?
That's what I'll go by, basically. All right.